This entire week has been adventurous and it's continuing to be. Last couple of videos has been about the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and this one is going to be the new one to the adventure category. It's stylish and it's dumped with hell lot of technological features. Yes, it's going to be about the KTM 390 Adventurer.
KTM preserved the looks of the LED headlamp. It's big, it's wider and it's stylish, giving it a massive look to the motorcycle. Unlike other KTMs out there, this one gets the windshield and it's adjustable too. This has a single cylinder 370cc engine with a maximum power of 43 PS and max torque of 37 Nm. Like other KTMs, it has a slipper clutch, a switchable ABS, and the big thing here is the traction control and a bidirectional quick shifter. It is BS6 compliant, there's the catalyst converter and is well protected with a bash plate. Coming to the suspensions, it's got 170mm upside down suspension in the front and 177mm monoshock suspension at the back. And a ground clearance of 200mm, which is less when compared to the Himalayan and the BMW 310 GS. And for the tires, KTM has the Metzeler Zen, with a front of 100x90 19-inch and a rear of 130x80 17-inch tires. And this comes with alloy wheels along the unit, but KTM offers spoke wheel as a power tool option. To add to the styling of the Adventurer, the rear brake pedal is raw and the foot pegs too are. It also has the rubber inserts which is removable too. So when you're on the highways, fit it in for a comfortable position, and during the off-roads, just get it out and you are ready for the adventure. The tank capacity is 14.5 liters, which is quite a bit higher than the other KTMs out there. The seat is pretty wide, flat and curves at the front, providing an upright seating position along with the wide handlebars. So for long hours of riding, it will not be a problem at all. But unlike the Himalayan, it doesn't have the tail rack coming along, so mounting a bag will be a hurdle. The 390 Adventure is a worthy upgrade if you're looking for one. The other KTM that gets this kind of setup in the electronic unit is the 790 Duke, pricing around 9 lakhs. So KTM has done a great job here to fit in the best safety features under 4 lakh Indian rupees, making this motorcycle in the radar for all adventure enthusiasts.